Good day, everyone. Welcome to part 2 of our sword. By the way, this is Gifted Brain, aka Saizu, first in Africa, sixth in the world. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep your notification button on. These two are free, but so that you can get notified when we drop other tutorial videos. Today we shall be considering equality of swords. Actually, see, two swords, let's say A plus root B and C plus root D, are said to be equal. Please take note. Only if A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Yeah, only when A is equal to C and when B is equal to D. That's when you can say these two swords are said to be equal. And you see, this whole idea or this whole concept can be applied in obtaining the square root of a sword. Let's take example for instance. Example 1. This question says find the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. Solution. The first thing to do here is to say let the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 be root A plus root B. Yeah. Now, if the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 is root A plus root B, hence we can therefore say that if we square root A plus root B, if we square this, it will give us 5 plus 2 root 6. Obviously, I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. If the square root of 9 is 3, it means that 3 square should give us 9. That's what it means. So therefore, if the square root of 5 plus root 6 is root A plus B, so if we square this, the root A plus root B, we should have the 5 plus 2 root 6. And now let's open up this square now. If you open up this is actually root A plus root B in bracket of root A plus root B. And we are saying that root B. And we're saying that it should give us 5 plus 2 root 6. When opening this part, this will give us root A times root A will give us A. Root A times A will give us A plus root A times B will give us root AB. And root B times A will also give us root AB again. And plus root B times root B will give us B. And that's equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. So right here we can say we have A plus B plus 2 root AB being equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Now we can applying the principle of equality of sword. We can say that if two swords are equal, that the non-radical part, which is the A plus B, is equal to 5. And that is actually equation 1. Again, is that the radical part, which is the 2 root of AB, is actually equal to 2 root 6. And you can see here, we can cancel out the 2. We will left with root AB being equal to 6. And then root 6, sorry. And then we can square both sides. If we square both sides, the square, we eliminate the square root, so we have AB on the left hand side and we have 6 on the right hand side, and that gives us our equation 2. And then we can simultaneously solve equation 1 and 2 to give us our answer. Well, from equation 1, we have it that, which is A plus B is equal to 5. We have it that A is equal to 5 minus B. That will give us equation 3. We can substitute equation 3 into equation 2. And that will give us 5 minus B multiplied by B being equal to 6. And we can open up the brackets. We have 5B minus B squared is equal to 6. Rearranging will give us 0 is equal to B squared, bringing this B squared to the other side of the equation, to the right side of the equation. Then minus 5B plus 6. And then we can solve the resulting quadratic equation. So if we solve the quadratic equation, we're solving B squared minus 5B plus 6 being equal to 0. We can solve by factorization, and that will give us B squared minus 2B plus minus 3B plus 6 being equal to 0. I expanded the middle term. You can watch our quadratic video equation to comprehend how I did that actually. We have B factorizer to give us B minus 2 minus 3 B again minus 2 equals 0. So eventually we have B minus 2 and B minus 3 being equal to 0. And we can say B minus 2 is equal 0, or B minus 3 is equal 0. B is equal to 2, or B is equal to 3. So that's that about that. We've gotten our B's now. We can get our A, put B equal to 2 into equation 3. We can do that to get our A. And so when B is equal to 2, we have that A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 minus B. And so that will give us 5 minus 2, and that's 3. And then when B is equal to 3, A is equal to 5 minus B, which is 5 minus 3, and the answer is 2. And so the square root of the question given to us is actually, so this is our final answer. So we can take another example now. Example 2 says, find the square root of 31 minus 4 root 21. Well, we begin by saying let the square root of the same be root A minus root B. Yeah, I'm going to say root A minus root B because in the question we have 31 minus 4 root 21. Okay, and then so if that's the root, therefore we can say that hence, or therefore we can say that 31 minus 4 root 21 is equal to root A minus root B all squared. And then this will give us 31 minus 4 root 21, which is equal to, if you expand this, you will have A plus B minus 2 root AB. And so by comparing surd now, or equality of surd, we can say that A plus B is equal to 31. And then we can say further that 2 root AB is actually equal to minus 2 root AB, sorry, is actually equal to minus 4 root 21. And then dividing both sides by 2, that will give us minus 2 root AB being equal to minus 2 root minus 4 root 21, all divided by minus 2 and minus 2. We will be left with root AB being equal to 2 root 21, because this will eliminate this and this will eliminate this to give us 2 root 21. Now we can square both sides. If we square both sides, we would have root AB squared is equal to 2 root 21 squared as well. And if we square that, we would have AB being equal to 4, because square of 2 is 4 and square of root 21 is 21. And so we have AB is equal to 84. So this is actually my equation 2 and this was actually our equation 1. We can therefore say, hence, from equation 1, we know that A plus A is equal to 31 minus B if we make A the square formula from equation 1. This can be called our equation 3. We can substitute equation 3 into equation 2. If we do that, we have 31 minus B multiplied by B equal to 84. And this will give us 31B minus B square being equal to 84. Yeah, we can further rearrange and we have 0 is equal to B square minus 31B is plus 84 is equal to 0. And so we want to solve this quadratic equation now. We split the middle term. And so we would have B square minus 3B minus 28B plus 84 being equal to 0. And we can factorize B minus 3. And then we have minus 28 to the bracket of B minus 3 equals 0. So we have B minus 3 in bracket and B minus 28 in bracket actually equals to 0. And so we can say B is equal to 3 or B is equal to 28. And so we can say that when B is equal to 3, when B is equal to 3, so this is how our answer will be, and we can therefore say hence the square root of 31 minus 4 root 21 is, we call it root A minus root B. And that will give us root 28 minus root 3. And that root 28 can be in its basic form as 2 root 7. minus root 3. Or it will be root 3 minus 28, root 28. Why this or? Because when your a is 28, we have the first case and b is 3. But when a is 3 and b is 28, we have the second case. So that's why we are using the or. 2 root 7. So that's that. And you can take the following exercises and try on your own.